Hi, it's Pierce Bike, it's 72. How is everybody? Alright? Good, good. Not really got much to talk about today, really. I thought I'll just put a video up, literally, you know, as you do. Just a bit of shits and giggles. No, I'm joking. Subject today. I seriously don't know. Oh god, mine's gone. Perfect subject and the mine's gone. Oh, I don't know. Da, 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 da. Must be a bit warm if you like that. Be even hotter when you fall off. Well, quite warm actually, because I've still got my bloody winter duvet inside this jacket. Taking it out, putting it back in, taking it out, putting it back in. In the mornings I'm finding and leaving it in. It's not quite the where the fuck are you going? No one there. Road conditions still not been dealt with. What's left? Well, I think they're filling some gaps. I'm looking at it. No, they are. Sure they do bloody manhole covers. Oh, there's one there's been done. I think these have been done for a while actually. No, they're too clean. A few bits and bobs been swapped on your bike. I've got this weekend I'll be swapping the drive belt, changing the final drive oil, spark plug, petrol filter, bearings on the front. I've got some stuff to put in the tank, try and hopefully put some stuff through and clean out the valves and stuff. Give her a bit more of a release, since she's not had really that much of a good service. Well, she's had a service off me. You know, I'll do the oil spark plug air filter, and obviously just change the bits and bobs that wear out, like tyres and brake pads. I've not really got into doing the full Monty on it. I'm going to give that a go this weekend. So I might record it. Depends how it goes. Oh, I'm not going to look silly. Yeah, but I mean, do all the usual stuff to her, but she's not had what I call a major